that's my vegan version of pasta. So you guys can feel free to try it at home and let me know what you think. It's spicy, it's flavorful, it's healthy. Hello Key family, welcome to another cooking video. Yes, I love to cook. In case you not picked that up by now, no you know. Today I'm just preparing something very quick, very easy, and I figured, hey, why not share it with you guys. So I'm looking about some pasta today, and we have some vegan sausage, ginger, garlic, yellow sweet pepper, some baby tomatoes, and some parsley. Yeah, so I'm just gonna whip that up real quick. Oh, this is the brand vegan sausage that I'm using. So you guys can pick that up if you want to try or make your own version of it. But that's what we're going to be looking about today, and we are going to be using this extra virgin olive oil. We have our pasta going here, almost done. Ooh, very steamy there. Almost done, and then once that's done, I'm gonna combine all my ingredients and get the party started. So I'm gonna just add a little oil. Probably that's a bit much, or not. That should be okay. Yeah, so I'm just gonna let that heat a bit. Then I'm going to add my sausage and my seasoning. So guys, I don't know how many of you know what this little hole is for. I actually just learned that it's for this very reason. When you're putting your stuff in the pot from your cooking board, it's basically to control it not going everywhere. I know it's very convenient for me because I have one hand holding the device to record and the other putting in my stuff. But yeah, it has it, so apparently that's the reason for this thing. But it's kind of slowing me down, so I'm gonna bump you off and come right back once I get everything in. So I've got everything in my sausage. Oh, that smells so good. I love the smell of ginger. I love the smell of the ginger on this. Everything else, but ooh, that smells so good. Everything mixed in. So I'm just gonna keep stirring this around until the sausage and everything else is pretty much where I want it to be. And then I'm going to add my pasta in. Like I said, very quick and easy dish. Anybody can do this. Pretty much 1, 2, you're coming from work, you're tired, especially like today, you're coming Friday evening. I know we're staying in and we're not going out for church, but you don't have enough time to do everything. This is a quick and easy recipe that you guys can do at home. Alright? I'm gonna just keep stirring that around, and then I add my pasta to that. So I've added my pasta in. Of course, I'm gonna jazz this up a bit. Right now it's still a bit plain. Now it's a one-pot dish, so you can be as creative as you want with it. So you want to turn your flame all the way down because you just need a little heat right now. Everything in there is already cooked. So I'm gonna add some more parsley to this. I'm gonna add some more tomatoes. I'm gonna add some pepper flakes and some salt because there's no salt in there. And I think I might add just a teaspoon or less of garlic powder because I don't want the garlic to be overbearing. Then I'm gonna add a little cheese to it. So that's how we're looking right now. Isn't that beautiful? And the extra tomatoes that I added, I didn't cut them because they're small, like the baby potatoes, so I didn't cut them. So that when you bite into it, you're still getting that juice from the tomato. Because the ones I cut before, of course, they're going to cook down and cook out and get a bit soggy. So I didn't cut these ones purposely because when you're eating, you still want to get that juice. And because I'm not adding any sauce to this, I'm just going to sprinkle a little cheese on it. And then we're all done, and it's very flavorful. So I added about half a teaspoon of garlic powder because I had chopped 1 clove of garlic and put in there. It's not overpowering with garlic. I added a little salt, and for me, I don't use a lot of salt, so you can decide depending on how much salt you like in your food. And I added some of some pepper flakes. And the only thing I'm gonna add right now is my cheese, and then it's done. And then I'm gonna go take a walk because the sun is going down. And we're all done, guys. See, very quick. And this is the cheese that we used. And I didn't put a lot because I probably will sprinkle some when I'm eating. And that's it. That's my vegan version of pasta. So you guys can feel free to try it at home and let me know what you think. It's spicy, it's flavorful, it's healthy. Alright guys, so I'm about to have me a little bit before I go walk, being that I only had cereal this morning. I know it's after 6. Well, let's be clear, I didn't get up until this afternoon, but hey, whatever. We're in quarantine and it's sunny out, and I'm going to take a little stroll before the sun is set. So be sure to comment below, subscribe, and don't forget to share this video and ask your friends to subscribe as well. We are at our 200 mark. Thank you guys so much. And we're still growing. We want to get to 1,000. We want to get to 2,000, but one day at a time. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't as yet. And I hope you tried this recipe, and I hope you enjoyed as much as I am going to. Bye.